Are you a tech girl, or are you a girl that's aspiring to do something, to find herself, to find her path? Or a guy, if you're trying to find your path, it doesn't matter your gender, just find that thing that while you're doing it, you find joy in it. Trust me, you'll be happy there. You'll be happy there. You actualize more. You are doing something that no one is forcing you to do. Hours go by and you just realize, oh, I've spent 6 hours on this in this place and I'm not tired. I want more. That is your path. You just found your path. Stick with it, run with it, build yourself up with it. It will not come easy. The fact that you found your path does not mean it's going to come easy. It's going to be easy. Stick with it. Okay? Grow it. Don't just be, oh, I found my road. No. Go on the road. Find out everything about that road. Dominate that road. Own it. Because it's yours. Own it. Then you can stand up in public and say, yes, this is my road. This is my path. And it will open doors for you. Trust me.